So today, we're going on a journey that combines our crystals with our geodes with something a little bit different. Language. That's right, we're exploring crystals, the stories they tell, and the meanings they hold in different cultures. Let's start with our geodes. These beautiful hollow rocks filled with crystals have been the source of fascination for centuries. But did you know that the word geode actually comes from the Greek word geodes, which means earth-like? It's a fitting name for these little pieces of beauty that the earth provides. Don't you think? Oh, and if you stay to the end, I'll bust this bad boy open with this hammer. Moving on to crystals. The word crystal actually comes from the Greek word kristallos, which actually means ice. The ancient Greeks believed that clear quartz was water that froze over so hard that it would never thaw. Isn't that a beautiful image to think of? But geodes and crystals aren't just beautiful to look at, they hold deep meanings in a number of different cultures. For example, in the Chinese culture, jade is a symbol of purity and nobility. Meanwhile, in the Native American culture, turquoise is often used in ceremonies and is often connected to the spiritual world. So as you can see, the language of crystals and geodes is as rich and varied as the stones themselves. They tell stories of ancient beliefs, cultural practices, and human fascination of the natural world. We have made it to the end, so thank you so much for joining us on this linguistical journey of geodes and crystals. And remember, every crystal has a story to tell, if you're willing to listen. Until next time, keep shining. Oh wait, yeah, I promised I'd bust this open. So, let's go. Alright, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Oh my goodness, these are so gorgeous to look at. So beautiful.